Welcome back. Gloves are useful. They really are. Oh, and I don't know if you can see this little piping bag. Maybe not. Just forget about it. That's from last week's. I'm still waiting for it to set up. They're never going to give you up for leaves. So, anyway, today we are making one of my favorite scents of all time. We are making our lemongrass soap. And this one is done in essential oil. So remember, when you're using essential oils, the amount you can put in your batch is different. Brambleberry has a really great essential oil calculator. So just FYI. This is also, like last week, my Isis and Osiris recipe. So my oils are dark because of the bentonite clay. And I'm going to go ahead and stir those in, and my lye water, which is 50-50 aloe vera and distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. And then we'll go over the colors, and I'll tell you what it's called. Well, you already know what it's called. It's in the title, right? Duh. But I happen to think it's an appropriate title because lemongrass makes me feel like I'm walking on sunshine. So, alright, here we go. Okay, we have a very light, well, I guess it's not a light emulsification. I am soaping a little bit hotter than usual. Usually with this recipe I soap at 80 to 83 degrees, and it was 94 the oils were before I added the lye water. So, oh, wow. Guess I stick blended just a little too long. It's a good thing that the fragrance or the essential oil thins out my batter. And I just need a little bit of each. This is a mostly white soap. And if I can't get this, because it's at a good emulsification, I don't think I'm going to have to stick blend these. Let me check. I'll know in just a second. And if I do, then I will do that off camera. The base is white, so I'm going to do that off camera anyway, but I just need to make sure I'm not having to do the colors too. It doesn't look like it so far. I might just take them really quick. So I'll be back, and we'll hand stir in our fragrance. Okay. Yeah, I went ahead and I stick blended the colors just to be on the safe side. I just did it for a second. No big deal. Can you see everything? Sort of. I'm just going to put a little bit of fragrance or essential oil into each of the colors, and then the rest of it in there. And then I can stir and make sure I don't have like that. I got some mica up there. Oh, I love the way this smells. And this is another one I do in my 10-inch mold, the wider mold, where they're not squares, they're rectangles. Always done it like that. Don't know why, just have. Get Judy out of here. Oh, yuck. Oh, I just touched the top of my spatula. Okay, let me get this mixed in here. Really good. I don't know if it's just the titanium dioxide with essential oils. I don't know. If you're a soaper, let me know. If you have trouble making sure that your essential oils are mixed in with a batter that has TD in it, I seem to find it a little bit harder. Okay, here we go. Let's get our mold in here. And bring you in a little bit closer. There we go. Gonna start with our white. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of white in there. And most of my yellow, because you gotta have the sun. Gotta have the sun. And to walk on sunshine, we have to have the earth, the grass, right? So that's why the colors. Actually, you know what? I can put a little bit more of both. Just a little bit. Because I only need a teeny bit for the top. Okay. Alright, here we go. Drop swirl. Ooh. Love it. I love yellow and green together. I think this is a very pretty, delicate soap. The swirl on the inside is going to be gorgeous. I can tell by looking at the top. Usually I can tell by looking at the top with a drop swirl. I'm sure most soapers can. I don't know. Can you? You soapers, can you tell? I can usually tell. Okay. And I am not going to wait for this to set up. I am going to bang it. I'm not going to wait for this to set up to do my top here. Hold on, let me check out my piping. Oh yeah, still, that's still loose as heck. And I just want to do a little of this. Probably should have started with my green. And a little of this. I know I'm really trying to get it out of there, aren't I? Okay, and then the same thing with the green. A little of this. Ooh, that was a lot of green in one place there, Sulin. Hey, Mr. J, what are you crying for? I fed you. Oh, are you so abused? Nobody ever touches you or plays with you or nothing. Oh my goodness, you poor cat. Sorry. That's what he acts like, I swear. It's so funny. Okay, let's do a figure 8 on this one. And this, like, is barely in the mixture, or in the batter. Having issues. Okay, pound it one more time. And this does get glitterified because it's sunshine. Oh, it's sunshine. Okay, it's sunshine. That's good enough for sunshine. I don't know if you guys can see that sparkle. Woo, nice. Okay, I get this glitter off of here. Okay, guys, I will see you in 18 to 24 hours to cut this baby. Bye. You know, sometimes I really hate spouses. My husband was talking to me and talking to me and talking to me, and I just started cutting this without you guys. My apologies. Do you apologize? Certainly. So, this is Walking on Sunshine, as you know, because you watched the video of me making it. And don't it feel good? Oh, sorry. Oh, I love the way lemongrass smells. My laundry smelled like this for a long time. Boop. Boop. Uh-oh. This is still a little soft because it's frozen in the middle, but not on the outside. I took all the 4 soaps that I needed to cut. I took them all out of put them in the freezer. Oh, I can't speak English now. I did just fine cutting the first 2. Lord. Telling ya. Oh, get it together, Sulin. Oh, I think you guys are crooked. Like I said, it's a little sticky because it's still frozen on the inside. I really like the way, I gotta show you this. I really like the way the top turned out. I think it's really, really cool. And cutting it into bars makes me sad because the top was just really lovely. of the better drop swirl tops that I do is on this soap. Come on, there we go. Okay. Are we straight? Okay. There we go. I love it. I hope everybody's week went well. It's been booked my first show. Well, I guess it would have been late last week for April 23rd. So hopefully I'm going to get some shows in late March as well too. That is the plan. And I'm not sure how many shows are going to happen downriver with Amanda having a baby. Did I tell you guys that? Amanda's pregnant? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. One more. Yep, Amanda's having a baby, so she's gonna be out of commission for a little bit. And there's the other side. I'm gonna cut this